Welcome to the Waitlist module training in MasterCare Plus. This is where you can effectively manage client waitlists across different parts of your service. You can set up multiple waitlists based on appointment types, resources, healthcare professionals, or specific programs. Waitlist can be accessed from the Profile button. The layout is simple and intuitive. You will see different buckets or categories representing the current waitlists, each tailored to a specific service area, program, or appointment type. Each bucket lists clients awaiting allocation, showing their priority, referral date, and contact info. Clients can easily be dragged and dropped to move them depending on their priority. Each client can be marked as urgent, non-urgent, or critical, and a drop-down button is available to each profile with other notes and further information. To add a new client to the waitlist, just click the Add Client button. Then enter their details, such as client name, priority level, roster, and notes. Once the required details are filled, just click Save. Each step is automatically tracked and audited, giving you full visibility of changes made over time. Once a client is added, the waitlist updates automatically and you can easily adjust their position based on their priority level. With their details, such as name, referral date, contact information, and notes now visible on the list. Thanks for watching. For more guidance on related modules, check out our other videos covering clinical documentation, outcome measures, billing and reporting in MasterCare Plus.